What if I told you that the words on your website could be the difference between 0 sales and a full inbox of orders? Most business owners spend hours building products but only minutes writing copy, and that is the hidden reason why so many fail to convert visitors into buyers. Here is the surprising truth. Studies show that people decide in just 8 seconds whether to stay on a page or leave. That means your copy is either pulling them in or pushing them away before they even see what you sell. So what should every business owner know about writing copy? Let's break it down. Step 1. Focus on benefits, not features. A feature describes what your product is. A benefit shows what it does for the customer. For example, a laptop with 16 hours of battery life is just a feature, but saying work all day without carrying a charger turns it into a benefit that matters. Step 2. Write like you talk. Many owners make the mistake of sounding too corporate or stiff. People connect with simple words and natural language. If you would not say it in real life, do not write it online. Step 3. Always end with a clear call to action. Never leave your reader wondering what to do next. Click here buy now or sign up today. Clarity creates confidence and confidence drives clicks. Now here is the big problem. Most business owners do not have time to master copywriting. They get stuck staring at a blank page wasting hours. That is where AI Creator Max comes in. It is packed with over 100 templates for ads, blogs, emails, and titles, all built on proven formulas like ADA and PDS. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. You write 10 times faster and skip the frustration. Try it free today using the link below. And here's a bonus tip. Great copy is not about shouting louder than your competitors. It is about showing customers you understand them better. Do that and you win every time. Remember, this video is part of a mini course playlist, so binge the rest for more insider secrets. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the biggest copy struggle you face. Then head to AICreatorMax.com and put these tips into action today.